A very good morning to you children. I am your computer teacher, myself Shaptika Pandey, and today we will continue our chapter number 2, that is operating a computer. And from this chapter today we will learn about the following topics. Okay, so the topics we have to cover today are title bar, resizing a window, moving the window, and how to shut down a computer. So children, as we have already learnt in our previous classes that how we can start a computer, what are desktop, what are icons, etc. So we have done these topics. Now in this session we will learn about title bar, resizing a window, moving the window, and how to shut down a computer. Understood? Now first one is, what is a title bar? So children, as you can see, this is our whatever we are open in the whatever it is open in the desktop, it is the Microsoft Word window. Okay, so at the topmost bar, the topmost blue bar of the window is the title bar. Understood? This topmost blue bar of the window is known as title bar, where you can see the name of the window, the name of the file, okay, and which type of file it is. You can see these two things at the top of the bar. So this topmost bar of the topmost blue bar of the window is known as title bar, where you can see the title of the file. Now here you can see it is written class 2 Word. That means class 2 is the title of this file. Okay, and Word is the type of a file. That means it is a Microsoft Word file. So the class 2 is the title of this file, this particular file. So the topmost layer, the topmost blue bar of the window is known as title bar. Okay, now second one, how we can resize a window. So how we can resize a window? The children, at the corner of the window you can see the three buttons. Can you see the three buttons? Yes. So first one is minimize. Second one is resizing a window. We can resize the window by using second button, and first one is minimize button. Okay, and third one is close button. Understood? Third one is close button. So by using the second button we can resize our window. Understood? We can resize our window by using this middle button. Now how we can resize our window? First we will click on this button. Look, this is how our window it is small in size now. Yes, it changes its shape. Now again if we click on this middle button, it will get back to its normal size. So understood children? Once you will click on the middle button, it will become smaller in size, and again you will press the middle button, it will get back to its original position. Understood? So this is how you can resize your file or resize your window. Understood? Now the next topic is moving the window. So how we can move our window? Move our window means we have to move our Microsoft window or any window into our desktop. We have to move it. We want to move it. So how we can move this window? Okay, so first what we have to do is, first we have to click on the middle button again. Understood everyone? You have to click on the middle button again. So once you click on the middle button, it will become smaller in size. Okay, and how you can move this window now? You have to move this window. How you can move this window? First, let your cursor into the title bar. Where is the title bar? This topmost layer of the window is title bar where you can see class 2 is written. Okay, so you have to click on the left, click from the left mouse button on this title bar, and without leaving the button you have to move your mouse like this. So if you move your mouse without leaving this left mouse button, you can move your window like this. So understood everyone? I'm repeating it again, that how you can resize, how you can move the window. If you want to move your window, you have to click on the middle button. Okay, middle button. So now it becomes smaller in size. Once you click on the middle button, it becomes smaller in size. Now how you can move it? You have to first click on the title bar. So where is the title bar? The topmost blue layer is known as title bar. So click from the left mouse button on the title bar, and without leaving this button, move your mouse like this, so that you can move your window from left to right, right to left, and so on, from top to bottom and from bottom to top. Understood? Now next is how we can shut down your computer. Okay, so before closing your computer, before closing your laptop or any device, you must have to shut down your computer first. Okay, it is necessary. So how you can shut down your computer? You have to choose the start button. So where is the start button? At the corner we have the start button. So you have to click on the start button and click on the shut down button here. Here you can see shut down button. So you have to click on the shutdown button, so that you will shut down your computer. So understood everyone? So this is all for today. We have completed the chapter how to operate a computer. In the next class we will start with our question answers and exercise. Okay, and we will start with our some games or anything. Okay, so stay safe, stay healthy, and stay in your home. Thank you for watching.